Hi, I'm Jill Vivian from Vivian's Real Estate, and I would like to welcome you today to 18 of 12 Murray Avenue. Beautiful little complex of 20, pet friendly. Let's go on and have a look. So now that you've had a look through the apartment, you'll notice that it's very close to Cottesloe Beach, Glyde Street Precinct, Coles Shopping Centre, and very, very good for public transport with the trains as well. So we'll look forward to seeing you through the home opens in the weekends.